Hi guys, and welcome back to my intro to WebDev series. By now we have discussed where to start with web development, HTML and CSS. We have also made a few small projects. I have gained 34 subscribers and my will to hold on is slowly diminishing. So it only makes sense to talk about the most important thing in web development, that is JavaScript, and hopefully in 5 minutes. So go get your coffees and let's dive right into it. JavaScript is the programming language of the internet. And to be the programming language of the internet, it needs to be like the internet. Free-flowing and extremely vast in what it can do. JavaScript can allow you to write code in many ways. That is only because it belongs to many paradigms. Also, it is compiled just in time, meaning you save time on compiling your code since the code compiles during execution. Unlike languages such as C++, where you compile first and then run your code. Also, a big misconception about JavaScript is that it's a substrate of Java, which it is totally not because Java is completely different. It is an old fossil of a language. Also, warning. This is not an intro to programming video, and therefore will not cover fundamentals such as what variables are and stuff like that. It will however cover the topics necessary to gain intro-level knowledge. A video for programming fundamentals is due and will be online shortly. The topic we will discuss is how to define variables, arrays, loops, conditions, functions, objects, methods, and DOM. To get started, create an HTML file inside some folder. There are two ways of writing JavaScript. One is inside a script tag and the other is by making a JavaScript file. We will explore both of them. So make a script tag inside your body. Inside here write console log hello there. Now if you go to your console, which you will find in your dev tools, you will be able to see hello there print. To do it the other way, all you have to do is set the source attribute of your script tag to the location of your JavaScript file. Navigate to your .js file and console log something. If you did everything right, it should print onto the console. To create a variable, type var followed by the name. Variables in JavaScript have automatic data typing, so you don't have to worry about that stuff. To create an array, use square brackets and put comma-separated values in them. To log a particular value, call it with an index inside the square brackets. And to get the size of an array, use the length attribute. There are two kinds of loops, a for loop and a while loop. For looks like this, and a while looks like this. Then there is a for each loop that works well with arrays. In conditions, ifs look like this and else looks like this. You can also add else if statement like this. To make a function, write function and the name followed by brackets. Call the function by its name. If you want to pass an argument, simply put 1 inside the brackets. Objects are fun little things. Make a variable called person with its attributes being name and age. If you log person out, you will get all the details. If you want only the name, write person.name. For age, write person.age. DOM or Document Object Modeling is a way for you to access HTML inside of your JavaScript code. If you had a div with an ID set to title, you could access it by typing document.getElementById title. Logging it will give you the whole div. If you want whatever's inside, use .innerHTML. You can also change it by assigning value to the inner HTML. This has been JavaScript in under 5 minutes. We will go into more details in the next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. The quality of my videos is going to keep going up. Like and share to spread the word. Also, watch my other videos to catch up. I would suggest watching the HTML canvas video since I use a bunch of JavaScript in it. That's about it. Bye!